Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to hide your API keys on GitHub using secrets and variables. This is the absolute best practice to keep your project secure, so let's get right to it. First, you need to create a repository secret. Navigate to your GitHub repository and click on the Settings tab. On the left side menu, scroll down to the Security section. Click on Secrets and Variables and select Actions. Click the button to create a new repository secret. Next, you need to name your secret. For example, you could call it My API Key in all capital letters with underscores. Paste your actual API key into the secret value box and hit the Add Secret button. Now your key is safely stored on GitHub servers and is completely hidden from the public code. Then, you need to tell your GitHub action workflow how to use this hidden key. Open your workflow YAML file, which is usually found in your .github/workflows folder. Look for the step where you run your code, like a node index.js command. Right under that run command, you need to add an environment variable section. You'll define the variable name, like My API Key, and set its value using the special GitHub syntax, which looks like a $ followed by double curly braces containing the word secrets.myAPIKey. Finally, make sure your actual application code is looking for that exact same environment variable name. The most important thing here is consistency. If you named it My API Key in your repository settings and your YAML file, it must be named exactly the same way in your JavaScript or Python file. When your action runs, GitHub will inject the real key without ever exposing it in your logs or your code. And that is it. Your API keys are now completely hidden and secure. If this quick guide helped you protect your project today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.